The Three Gorges Dam is like a double-edged sword that is extremely dangerous if something goes wrong. In which the most undesirable incident is the failure of the dam. Whereas natural-born tsunamis stemming from ocean earthquakes hitting the continent causing massive destruction and death, the Three Gorges Dam could create a man-made tsunami when the dam breaks. The entire population of hundreds of millions of people even in big cities will be washed away in the East Sea. 1/3 of the area of China, the most prosperous regions including Wuhan, Nanjing, Shanghai, where residents will be buried in floodwater. All the historical monuments that China is often proud of the world for thousands of years will disappear in floodwaters. Thousands of big cities will be affected by 5-10 m flood water. Tens of thousands of factories, and companies producing export goods, along with commercial, industrial and tourist vessels will be destroyed, flooded and swept away into the East Sea. Losing a huge power supply, China is wrong with electricity, science and technology suffer, economic collapse, starvation, disease will rage. The damage to life and property if the Three Gorges Dam is broken is negligible.